All right, so we bought at auction this 2015 Ford F-250 Super Duty XL, beat to shit. Mechanically, stronger than a vehicle can be, government proven. They replace shit they don't have to, it's a fact. Body's beat, engine, mechanics, suspension, literally perfect. We just get rid of some rust and literally do everything we can to beautify such a vehicle, you know. We're gonna what this blue book's at and what I paid for it are two incredibly different things, and that's not including the price of the plow. So that being said, there's opportunities to win if you take the time and the few short dollars to invest your attention into the details to make sure you're not buying something that's broken and you can't fix. And then the details of beautifying something that doesn't need much except elbow grease. It's your time, it's your money. Fucking get it. Look how good that looks. Shit. I paid $1,200 for this truck, and the blue book was sitting at 15 to 20 with the plow and everything. So what I did, I took it to a dealership for shits and giggles. I got offered 7. I had only a couple hundred into it, and the price of the truck, which was $1,200, dude. Like, this was to sell it to a dealership and they think they're making out, and like, fuck you to them is nice.